Have you ever wondered about the parts of reality we can't see? Today we're exploring one of the most profound names of Allah, Al-Baatin, which means the hidden or the inward. And understanding this name can completely transform how we see the world around us. So what does Al-Baatin really mean? While we often focus on what's visible and obvious, Al-Baatin reminds us that the most important realities are often hidden from our eyes. Allah is closer to us than our jugular vein, as the Quran tells us, yet His essence remains beyond our complete comprehension. Think about it this way. When you look at a beautiful sunset, you see colors and light. But Al-Baatin is the one who designed the laws of physics that make that sunset possible. This name teaches us something crucial about life. We live in a world obsessed with appearances, with what we can measure and see. But Al-Baatin invites us to recognize that there's always more beneath the surface. Understanding Al-Baatin also changes how we approach our relationship with the divine. It means that Allah knows the secrets of our hearts, the intentions behind our actions. Nothing is truly hidden from Al-Baatin, even though He Himself is hidden from our limited perception. Al-Baatin makes us more humble and more hopeful at the same time. Humble because we realize how little we truly understand. Hopeful because we know that even when we can't see the way forward, there's a divine wisdom working behind the scenes. So the next time you're facing something difficult, or when life doesn't make sense, remember Al-Baatin. Remember that there are dimensions of reality, layers of meaning, and divine purposes that your eyes can't see, but that are absolutely real and absolutely there. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more content exploring the deeper meanings of faith.